me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Black Friday Diamond Art Club unboxing. Yes, this one again, square. This one is called Inspiration of Spring Meadows. This one is a Chuck Pinson. Yes, y'all know I love my Chucky Chuck. So let's open it up and let's get to it. I wanted to see this one up close and passing out. Let's see. Yeah, I know y'all like, golly, dog. Yeah, and I still got some out. So it's just when you see them, you want them. All right. So I got this. Let's see. This box. Oh, I gotta put that box up. Oh, it's heavy. Yes. Taking up the entire width of my camera. Square toolkit. My sticker. I'll put in my. Okay, there we go. I'm like, where is it? Alright, and the big sticker. This one goes there. So I can put it in my book. Normal square toolkit. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Inspiration of Spring Meadows by Chuck Pinson. Can y'all see that? Isn't that gorgeous? I love all the purple. For some reason, there's a lot of purple going on. This one has 54 colors. There are 2 ABs. It is 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters, which is 36.6 by 27.6. Very pretty. Let's get into this baby. Babies. Alright. That can't be it. I see it say 2 of 2. There we go. Look at all those pretty colors. Alright, there's the step-by-step instructions, which also has a coupon code. I'm going to bend it back the other way. Remember, this is double-sided adhesive. You can roll your canvas back the other way. This is to get it flattened, to make your canvas flatter. And it might take it a minute to go, and it might crinkle up and all of that, but it won't stay. This is double-sided adhesive. I mean, poured glue. Not double-sided adhesive. Poured glue, so you can do that. All right. Let's get these drills out of the way. And you can see on there, Inspiration of Spring Meadows 2-1. So that's 1 of 2. All right. So this one goes... Wow. Okay. You might not be able to get the whole thing in. We won't. That's okay. We'll look at it a little bit at a time. Wow. Look at that purple. Googly boom. That is gorgeous, guys. Look at the mountains. Wow. I'm loving the trees. That's what you're seeing here. Mountains in the background with the skyline. Beautiful trees. Again, Diamond Art Club has the schematic on the top left, bottom right. Let's look at this side. Ooh, it's bending right there. Bottom right. Look here. I'm going to turn it sideways a little bit. That looks like it might be an eagle. Can't really see. It's kind of real rounded. But that must be an eagle. Some kind of bird. It's flying. Or is that a balloon? A plane? I don't know what that is right here. Y'all tell me what y'all think this is. And go up a little bit. Alright, because I see this here and I could tell these are supposed to be birds, but I don't know what that is. Look at the cabin. I'm going to turn it sideways, guys. Look at this beautiful cabin. Got the smoke coming up. Got deer. Look at all the deer. Beautiful. I love the rocking chair and the chair on the porch. Beautiful trees. Oh, it has a bridge. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. We're going to have to look at it a little bit. Why is it bending like that? Oh, I didn't do the themes yet. Okay. Look at this deer. This buck got his horns. Look at the rabbit. So cute. Now that is cute, guys. Beautiful little flowers. I'm loving these lavender flowers. Very nice. Look at this cobblestone. Is this cobblestone? It's probably just a dirt path, but I saw this right here and I thought it was cobblestone. Look at the bridge. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the stonework on the bridge. So this is water here. Very nice. I am absolutely loving the lavender on here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now y'all can see the cabin better. Oh, and look, the brick here on the fireplace the same as the brick here on the bridge. Now that's cool. Look at the beautiful butterflies. I'm loving, they got the stones here. Got some brush coming up through. This is beautiful. Love, love, love it. Let me do this before I forget. Drill fill. And I already showed y'all up close. Y'all looked at the other one. You have to fold it to the side when it's long ways, guys. And again, this is a 93 by 70 centimeters, which is 36.6 by 27.6 inches. A Chuck Pinson and Diamond Art Club. Let's do the other side. And then we're going to flip this baby over. And we're going to look at these drills. We got 2 baskets. This purple is amazing. So they must did a purple opening. Not opening. Black Friday sale. I'm seeing all the ones I got purple in them. I don't know what the heck this is. We're going to have to figure that out. Somebody probably knows if they have this painting. This is a new release. Alright, so we're going to turn it over. Wow. I can barely get it over, guys. There we go. And let's look at these beautiful drills. Again, there are 54 colors, and we got 2 bags. Put one on that side with 2 ABs. All right. How many trains we got in this one? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, 2 and 3. 2 trains and 3 extra. All right. So let's look at the extras first. All right. We got 935. Now this looks like a moss color. That's not black. That's not brown. It looks like a moss. Y'all see that? Then we got 470, 210. 814, 211, 127. That's the first AB. I don't think I've had 127. I don't think that's supposed to be a pink, is it? 127. It might be a very, very pale pink. It looks pink, but it looks like it also could be like a flesh tone color. I don't know. Oh, and then right next to it, 135. That beautiful greenish yellow. Very pretty ABs. Got 2 ABs side by side. That is awesome. So these are the 2 ABs, guys. We're going to see where those go. 318, 420, 471. That's another mossy color. Got 2 bags of 3837, 433, 2 bags of 3861, 3864, 2 bags of 3746, that beautiful purple. 2 bags of 155, 2 bags of 3860, and 1 of 718. And then the last one, I'm dropping my Christmas stuff. Here we go. 436. 738, 3828, 605, 823, 648, 3799. Come on. 413, 3607, 498. That's a pretty red. 498. That's like cherry red. 356, 317. 336, 415, 3841, 312, 775. I love that. 3024, 799, 869. That's all in the first bag. Then this second bag. Googly boo. I thought that was a lot. I forgot we had 2 bags. But this is like it's got a lot of the purples in it. How many trains are this one? Let's see. 1 train, 2 trains. All right, let's get it done. 33.25, 8.98, 7.79. 2 bags of that. There we go. 3 bags of 208. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of 208. 604. Ooh, that is a pretty pink. 604. I'm gonna have to get that one. ABs. 2 bags of 33.46. 9.38. 2 bags of 33.71. That's that milk chocolate. Or is that dark chocolate? It's one of the chocolates. It's brown. 4.14. Ooh, 5.50. I love 5.50. That's my favorite purple. 3 bags of 33.33. I think I'm gonna have a lot of those left over too. 2 bags of 3.27. Lots of purple. 2 bags of 209. It might be another bag of that. I can't remember. I know when I kid up. 2 bags of 890. 37.55. 3 bags of 937. Wow. Can y'all tell that's cricket? The machine cut it off and sliced it sideways. 3 bags of 937 and 2 bags of 935. That's that moss color again. Wow. 935. It's like a deep moss color. Alright, so those are the 2 big bags. Let's see where those ABs go, guys. Put this, hang my canvas up. Alright, so the first one is 127. That's that light pink. It's probably up here. And that's number 1. Let's see. Yep. It's in the mountain. It looks white right here, but that is pink. That's all right here in the mountain. All of this right here is that very light pink. So yeah, now that I see this pink, it's like when you look in the sky and you see that pink color. Yeah, so then they put a lighter pink there. And that's number 1. It's all in the mountains. I do see a few here in the tree. There's some, all of these flowers right here are outlined with it. Oh yeah, these as well. Some big old canvas, good googly boo. When I work on this, I'm going to turn it sideways to work on, to put it on my thing. All of these are outlined. It's sprinkled in this. That's just that light pink. And then the 135, that green color is number 2. All of this, I know y'all can see that different color. Lime green looking. That's all in the grass, right here in these trees. I don't see any over there. Yeah, all in the grass here. That's going to be beautiful. It's a couple here. Oh, they're on the centers of these pink flowers here. That has that number 2 lime, that limeish color. And then here in this tree. So this is going to be amazing. Here again is the workup picture. Inspiration of Spring Meadows. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. This is beautiful. I might make this for someone and send it to them. Don't know who yet, but I might. Don't know when I'm going to get to it. It doesn't matter. We take our time, right? So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.